Opening the heart. It's like the wings of a butterfly, the blooming of a rose. In the opening movement, she feels everything and nothing. It's normal that at the beginning there's a lot coming out. You are not at the beginning. This was a process, just like any blooming process. It takes its time, depending on the unique blueprint of that flower. You are at the beginning of feeling the love that you are. Sure, you love certain people, or animals, or nature. You will soon start loving everything. When one of your former partners was reproaching that you are in love with love, he was referring to projections and attachment. But the truth is that being in love with love is a very desirable state and the purpose of this very existence. Being in love with love means being in love with you, with God, with life, with people. You know this very well, as this is your natural state. As God is love and love is God, you are love. And by this virtue, you are a spark of God. I love how you negotiate in your head, whether to call yourself God or not. It is funny. It is also humble, and you know how we all need humbleness on earth. You saw yesterday again that exactly when you don't know how powerful you are, you don't think you are doing something amazing, this is actually when you do. As you become a vessel for God's work through you. I also loved that you followed the lead. You have such a beautiful voice that you are slowly falling in love with the more you use it. Show yourself, hear yourself, feel yourself, understand yourself. Trust yourself, my love. And yes, even though you don't feel ready, you are on the path of loving unconditionally. You are worthy of this love, because when you will love unconditionally, you will give yourself the biggest gift of loving yourself unconditionally. It is still about you. It has always been about you. So let the outcome of your relationships to God. Loving unconditionally is such a gift. From that place, you can really choose if you are in or it is not something for you, freely, without pain. We are so proud of you for owning your part in your relationships. Everyone has their part. It is mature, loving, and kind. And we love you. Opening of the heart. I feel like I heard so many times in the spiritual communities, be in your heart, open your heart, you are too much in your head, open your heart. It became, honestly, almost like traumatizing and another reason for which we shouldn't feel enough. what I experience and what I know as being my truth is that nobody can control the opening of the heart. It's like the blooming, the flowering of nature. We cannot control it. It's this is the mystery of life. This is what was called the Holy Grail. It's life that is emerging and blossoming and becoming in its own time, from its own volition, according to its own plan. What we can do is to, as Rumi was saying, I don't remember exactly the lyrics, but it's about letting go of everything that is preventing you from being love, from opening your heart. So I hope that this is giving you some comfort, and it's the grace you need to give to yourself today. Hi, thank you for being here on this path to free love and love free. I wanted to let you know that if you want me to record a video on a specific topic, you can drop me a question in the comments down below or via email. You will find the email in the description of the videos. I see you.